Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa San Pedro Street, Davao City. Tiningnan namin kung safe ba kami dito sa Davao. Ito yung mga friend ko. Ito na sila. Yeah. So tiningnan namin ngayon kung pwede pa. Safe ba talaga dito sa Davao City? According to the Nomview report, Davao City ranked as second, considered as a safest city in the Philippines or even in Southeast Asia.